Hey guys, and welcome back to Mesha's Corner. So today I'll be making some shrimp, sausage, potatoes, and corn boil. I don't know what to call it because it only has shrimp in it, so I'm not going to say seafood boil. I'm actually going to make these in the oven in parchment packets. So let's get started. I have a lot going on here, so I'm going to go over ingredients. Over here I have my red skin potatoes and some lemon wedges. Right here I have some fresh dill. Right here I'm using this black Caribbean rum for basting because I don't have any stock, so I'm going to use that. Over here I have a half pound of shrimp. I'm only going to make maybe a couple of the packets with shrimp because I can't have shrimp. Over here I'm seasoning this up with some Keith Loren seafood seasoning. Y'all already know that's all I use is his line seafood seasoning. And I'm also going to use some Old Bay. In this pot I have a whole stick of butter. And right here is my corn and my sausage. Alright, so let's season up the shrimp. You're going to add some Old Bay down on your shrimp. You're also going to add some Keith Loren seafood seasoning down on your shrimp. Mix this up and allow it to marinate. Alright, so to this whole stick of butter is where you want to add a generous amount of your Old Bay seasoning. We're going to melt this butter down, but not melt it as if you're going to cook up some eggs or something. You just want to basically soften the butter really soft. And then you're also going to add some Keith Loren. We're going to drizzle this over top the entire thing. I'm also going to put my dill down in there. The dill won't cook off, don't worry, because it's just going to melt it really good. It's still going to have body to it. This is just my way, my version of it. You don't have to make it this way, but this is the way I want to do it. Alright, now for the potatoes, I'm actually going to add salt and pepper to the potatoes. And these are going to be on the bottom, so the seafood will cook down on it, the sausage will cook down on there, the spices from the butter will get down in there. I feel as if I put the Old Bay and the seafood on the potatoes also, it'll be a bit much. So these are just going to get salt and pepper. Alright, now for the corn, same routine, Old Bay and the seafood seasoning. Just trust me, I know what I'm doing. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you guys one and then I'll move on and do the rest of them off camera. You're going to put some potatoes on the bottom. This is parchment paper, as I mentioned earlier. You're going to add a couple pieces of corn, maybe one. This packet is already looking full. Yeah, I'm probably going to put one or two down in there. Then you're going to add some shrimp. Some sausage. This is the sausage one, the sausage and shrimp one that I'm actually doing. And then for the next one, all you have to do is just leave the shrimp off if you're doing it just like me with no shrimp. And then I'm going to take my shrimp, pop it right on top. This is already smelling and looking so good. It's so simple and easy. There's nothing to it. Just pile it all on there. Then you're going to take your dill. You want to add as much flavor as you can down in here because this is not something that we can taste. You know, once it's in the oven, it's in the oven. That's it, it's a wrap. Alright, and then you're going to take your butter and just pour it right over everything. You're going to pop this into a 375-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes until the potatoes are nice and cooked. And that's it. Look at me, forgetting my favorite part. You're going to take your liquor, put your finger over it, and just drizzle it on there. This is for extra moisture and flavor. Now it's perfect. Alright, now let's try and wrap this up. Now to wrap this up, the easiest way I see it is I'm going to connect the two top parts. I might have needed a longer piece of paper, but I'm going to make it work, show y'all what I'm doing. I'm going to fold it over and roll it. Fold it over and roll it. You connected both sides and you rolled it. I'm going to close it up. Just like that. And you're going to fold it under. And that's your packet. Alright guys, I decided to show y'all again how to do this, but with longer parchment paper for those people who are not good with arts and crafts like myself. Don't worry, I'm not judging because I'm not good with it either. You're gonna put your corn as per usual, your sausage per usual. I know it takes a while to assemble, but it's worth it. You're gonna put your shrimp. And another thing I forgot in my first packet was the lemon wedges. So I'm gonna make sure I don't forget my lemon wedges in this one. Look at me making a mess. So, you know, you kind of want to just do a little something like that and then just pop your lemon wedges right down in there, just like that. Then you take your dill, same routine. Then you take your liquor, then you take your butter, and you pop it in the oven. And that's it. And then now for the roll. So see, I have a longer piece of paper, so it's going to be much easier for me to connect the top. That's your packet. Alright guys, so this is my packet ready, nice and ready to go. I'm going to use some scissors. You could use a knife to open this, but I'm using my scissors to make things easy on me. Make sure your scissors are nice and clean. Ooh, it's hot. Ooh, look at that. Yes. Ooh. I hope this camera is picking this up. Look at that. Look at all the shrimp. Everything's soaking down in butter and spices. I'm not going to taste this one because like I said, you guys, you know, I can't have shrimp. But I hope you guys enjoy this easy, simple, baked shrimp broil recipe. I'm going to pour this out into a bowl or a plate so y'all can really see what it looks like. And yeah.